So it's no lie that I like cats. I had 4 of them. We are down to 3 because unfortunately we lost our oldest one at the beginning of August. But I wanted to start a new series here on my channel where I show you guys the important things that you have to do when taking care of a cat. I don't know why, but I started with how to maintain their litter boxes. So that's what today's video is going to be. As always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. So I like to keep all of our litter box supplies in this Sterilite drawer. Right here we just have some of the Glade Pet Fresh Scent Spray. I have some Clorox wipes to wipe down the box with, along with some of these Cat's Pride Jumbo Drawstring litter bags that I lined the box with. Over here we have some of the Breeze litter box refill cat pads, which I will go into a bit later. In this crate right here, I just have a bunch of bags. I have some of the Hefty bags, which I use to scoop poop into on a daily basis, and I have an extra thing of cat litter bags, and I hate these ones because they don't have a drawstring, but I keep them as a backup just in case we run out of the other ones. And then way in the back here, I just have extra unopened Clorox wipe packages, and normally right here I would also have some of the Cat's Pride deodorizing crystals. However, we did just run out, so I don't have any. For the first box, I'm just going to be using one of these and replacing it. This is just what the Breeze system looks like. As you guys can see, it uses pellets instead of cat litter, and then as you guys can see, it just sifts through and separates the urine from the cat poop. We're really lucky because our cats are really particular about where they poop, and they don't actually like pooping in this litter. So we luck out because they only pee in it, which means I don't have to scoop this daily, and we only have to rotate the litter out about every other week, and this week is not one of those weeks. However, I do have to change the pad in this bottom tray about every 2 to 3 days. Sometimes we can go a little longer, and I'm warning you now, it is going to have cat pee. So this is just where it collects, and all you have to do literally is take it out and put a new one in. And that's literally all I have to do for this box. The other box, on the other hand, gets scooped daily and gets dumped every 3 to 4 days. After dumping out the old litter bag, I like to take a Clorox wipe and wipe down the sides of the box, then spray the box with the Glade spray. And normally I would add some of the Fresh Step deodorizing crystals, but since we don't have that, I'm just gonna have to go ahead and put the litter in. And that's how I maintain our boxes. So that is how you can take care of a cat's litter box. It is really important because if you don't take care of the cat's litter box, they can end up with serious infections and get really sick, because cats in fact can get UTIs, and something with boy cats is they can get these things called crystals, which are very dangerous. So humans change their underwear every day, and cleaning a cat box is like changing a cat's underwear, essentially. You gotta do it every day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any cat-specific related videos you would like to see, let me know what they are in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because throughout the entire month of October, I will be uploading new videos every weekday, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Packer Squad. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified the second my videos go live. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!